Imagine holding the power of $1 million Hollywood movie studio right in the palm of your hand. No bulky gear, no heavy backpack, no complicated licenses. For years, capturing breathtaking aerial shots meant spending thousands of dollars and carrying massive drones that were anything but convenient. And if you went small, you had to accept a painful trade-off: poor image quality, weak low-light performance, and unstable footage in windy conditions. But everything changes now. The brand new DJI Mini 6 Pro has finally arrived, and it completely rewrites the rules of drone flying. This tiny machine packs the kind of power you'd expect from a professional cinema drone, yet it's small enough to fit in your pocket. Thanks to an advanced magnesium-lithium body and a carbon fiber internal structure, DJI has achieved something that once seemed impossible. They've placed a massive 1-inch sensor inside a mini drone. We're talking about a 50-megapixel camera with an incredible 14 stops of dynamic range. The result? Stunning detail, rich colors, and cinematic depth that rivals high-end mirrorless cameras. Even in low light, it delivers clean, sharp footage that older mini drones simply couldn't handle. But power means nothing without control, and this is where things get truly exciting. The Mini 6 Pro introduces a revolutionary new gimbal system that lets you tilt the camera straight upward to a full 90 degrees. No propellers ruining your shot. No awkward angles, just pure creative freedom. Imagine flying under a bridge and capturing the towering structure above you, or gliding through a forest while looking straight up at the trees. These cinematic angles used to require expensive custom FPV setups. Now, they're available with a single tap. And then comes the biggest breakthrough of all: night flying. Traditional mini drones struggle the moment the sun goes down. But the Mini 6 Pro changes everything with advanced lidar-based sensing. Instead of relying on basic cameras, it scans the environment in real time using millions of light pulses. This means you can fly confidently even in complete darkness. The drone can detect obstacles, track subjects, and navigate safely, whether you're walking through a dark forest or riding through a dimly lit street. It's like giving your drone the ability to see in the dark. On top of that, the latest transmission system ensures a rock-solid connection at all times. No lag, no signal drops, no sudden panic when your screen freezes mid-flight. Just a smooth, crystal-clear live feed, even in areas with heavy interference. All of this comes together to create something truly special. The DJI Mini 6 Pro isn't just another upgrade, it's a complete transformation. It blurs the line between a compact hobby drone and a full-scale professional filmmaking tool. If you're serious about creating stunning content, this might just be the ultimate flying camera you've been waiting for.